Donc, bonjour, mon nom est Gagnon, je suis le vice-président des affaires corporatives et réglementaires chez Imperial Tobacco. Ce matin, je vais faire mon allocution en anglais, mais il me fera plaisir de répondre à toutes questions en français. Good morning. My name is Eric Gagnon. I'm the Vice President of Corporate and Regulatory Affairs at Imperial Tobacco Canada. And I'm here today to comment the press conference that was held earlier by numerous health groups and agree that federal leadership is needed to further regulate vaping in Canada. Despite their comments, to try and convince everyone that we are ways apart, I want to put on record that we have many things in common. First, we absolutely agree that anyone underage should not vape. Vaping products contain nicotine and should be consumed by adults only. We also agree that there are too many vaping flavors on the market and support the proposed federal vaping regulation to restrict flavors to tobacco, mint, and menthol. We believe these flavors are sufficient for adults looking to quit smoking. Addressing flavors is part of the solution, but we also believe the following measures are needed. First, restrictions on the size and volume of devices is needed, as higher puff count products pose safety risks and allow large-scale quantity products to be purchased at discount, which can be more accessible to youth. Second, the growing online market needs to be addressed. Many products sold online are non-compliant with current federal and provincial regulation, which poses health risk and safety risk for consumers, allowing them to have easy access to youth. Online vendors need to be held accountable, and penalties need to be increased for anyone that doesn't respect the law. And if online sales are too complicated to properly regulate, they should be banned. Third, the vast majority of smokers continue to believe that vaping is as harmful as smoking, which is not aligned with many credible groups around the world, including Health Canada. Allowing factual communication and information of the health benefits of switching from cigarettes to vaping to adult smokers is crucial to further reduce smoking in the country. Finally, any new regulation must be paired with enforcement measures. Quebec is a prime example of what happens when regulations are brought in without any planning around enforcement. Quebec banned all flavor vapor products except tobacco in October of 2023, 18 months ago. Since then, most of the vaping market in the province has gone underground. Virtually, the entire market is now illegal, which makes flavors more accessible to youth than ever. Unfortunately, the health groups that spoke before believe their job is done once new regulation is introduced without any concern about the illegal market taking over. We ask them to put the same efforts into promoting enforcement as they do on advocating for stricter regulation. Only by doing this will we have a positive impact on youth vaping. And to the new Minister of Health, congratulations on your new appointment. First and foremost, we want you to know that Imperial Tobacco Canada supports the government's ambition of reducing smoking incidents below 5% by 2035. In order to achieve this ambition, it is important to follow the science around reduced harm nicotine products such as vaping. I encourage her to talk to Canadians who have successfully quit smoking using vaping products. Pursuing an evidence-based approach to vaping regulation will put Canada in the same company as other countries, such as the UK and New Zealand, that have successfully reduced smoking by embracing vaping products and regulated them appropriately. Thank you, and I would be happy to take any questions.
We don't have any questions at the moment. Nous n'avons pas de questions pour le moment. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose que vous aimeriez ajouter à votre déclaration?
Non, merci.
Merci, c'est ce qui conclut cette conférence. Thank you. This concludes the press conference.
Thank you.